polynomial is defined by p of x equals x cubed plus ax plus b. A and b are constants. It is given that x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. If x plus 2 is a factor of p of x, then p of negative 2 must be 0. So p of negative 2 should give you a remainder. When it is a factor, the remainder is 0. P of negative 2 is 0. Then we replace x with negative 2 into p of x. We have negative 2 to the 3 plus a negative 2 plus b equals 0. Negative 8 minus 2a plus b is 0. Or negative 2a plus b is 8. This will give us the first equation. There's a remainder of 5 when p of x is divided by x minus 3. A remainder of 5 means that p of 3 must be 5. So we replace x with 3. We have 3 to the 3 plus 3a plus b equals 5. So 27 plus 3a plus b equals 5, or 3a plus b equals 5 minus 27. That is negative 22. Equation number 2. We solve these two equations to find the values of a and b. Equation number 1, we have negative 2a plus b equals 8. Equation number 2, we have 3a plus b equals negative 22. We can subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1 to eliminate b. Then we have negative 2a minus 3a, that is negative 5a. 8 minus negative 22, that is 30. Now we divide throughout by negative 5, so that a is 30 divided by negative 5, which is negative 6. That will give us the value of a. To find the value of b, we substitute a equals negative 6 into either equation number 1 or equation number 2. Just substituting into equation number 1, you have negative 2, negative 6 plus b equals 8. 12 plus b is 8, and b is negative 4. We have the values of a and b. Then p of x can be written as x cubed minus 6a minus 4. That gives us p of x. Part B, we need to find the exact root. So the keyword here is the word exact root of the equation p of e to the 2y equals 0. So in order to solve for this, we need to find the roots of p of x and set it to e to the 2y, then we solve for y. P of x has x minus 2 as a factor, so we can divide p of x by x minus 2. We can use long division or synthetic division, it matters not. Sorry, this is an x minus 6x minus 4. So x cubed divided by x, that is x squared. Then x squared times x plus 2 is x cubed plus 2x squared. Subtracting the second line from the first line, we have negative 2x squared minus 6x minus 4. Negative 2x squared divided by x is negative 2x. That will give as negative 2x times x plus 2, we have negative 2x squared minus 4x. Subtracting the second line from the first line here for this section, we have negative 6x plus 4x, so yeah, negative 2x minus 4. Negative 2x divided by x is negative 2. Multiplying, we have negative 2x minus 4. The remainder is 0. From here, we see that p of x now can be written as x plus 2 and x squared minus 2x minus 2. Setting these to 0, we have x plus 2 equals 0, which gives us x equals negative 2, or x squared minus 2x minus 2 equals 0. This cannot be factored. To find the root of this equation, we use the quadratic formula. So if we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the quadratic formula is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. For this case here, a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 2. Then x here is negative b. Negative of negative 2 is 2, plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. That will be negative 2 squared minus 4, 1, and negative 2. So it is 4 plus 8. So we have a 12 here. All over 2a, that would be 2. But square root of 12 is 2 root 3. Then x here is 1 plus minus root 3. Okay, square root of 12 is square root of 4 times 3. Square root of 4 is 2. We have this as the root, and we need to solve the equation p of e to the 2y equals 0. Just now we have x equals negative 2. When x is negative 2, we also have x equals 1 minus root 3, and x equals 1 plus root 3. When x is negative 2, we have e to the 2y equals negative 2. E to anything can never be negative because the exponential graph is above the x-axis. So e to anything cannot be negative. Then in that case, this has no solution. 1 minus root 3 is less than 0. So if e to the 2y is 1 minus root 3, but since 1 minus root 3 is negative, and e to the 2y can never be negative, then this will not give us a solution as well. 1 plus root 3 is positive. This should give us a solution. We have e to the 2y equals 1 plus root 3. To solve for y, we take log on both sides. So you have ln e to the 2y. That is ln 1 plus root 3. Then we can bring the exponent down. 2y ln e is ln 1 plus root 3. And we know that ln e is always 1. So that 2y is ln 1 plus root 3, dividing throughout by 2. Y is 1 over 2 ln of 1 plus root 3.